Yo, hopefully we're live. I think so. Gonna be working on menu mind and hopefully get something done. This is the basic workflow we have right now. You go in, let me close it real quick. Terrible intro screen, which we gotta fix. You go in, you're gonna like select all your stuff here, any food restrictions. For example, my friend's gluten-free, so I'm gonna add that there. Then you can go ahead and you can take a photo, or you can actually just choose one for the library. And then it tells you everything in that menu. We're using a Papa John's menu, which should have a bunch of stuff that you can't have. And it tells you right there. Super simple. But right now, I don't like that this screen just takes you right into this view. So we're gonna try to see if Claude can come up with some onboarding stuff. Oh, I'm using Sonnet, that's why. Oh my gosh. Well, that works. Let me see if... Let me see. I want to see if Gemini can make this better. I'm gonna ask it to improve the UI. Let's see. Oh no. I forgot to tell Claude not to take over my computer. Well, it's taking over my computer. Okay, that's not too bad. I don't know. I don't think this thing at the bottom makes sense. Don't think that makes sense. Yeah, what do we think? I don't know. I'm gonna copy this here too. Don't know if it's gonna let me. I might have to log in. Oh, no, it's going. All right, I'm also gonna do Claude Design too. Let's give every single screen here. Create. What should it create? Let's see if Stitch started. Huh. Honestly, I don't like Stitch, man. Everything it makes, it's always the same. Always the same. Like, look at this. This looks like this looks like a PDF scanner, not a freaking menu scanner, dude. Like, it could work, but it's just not fun. Can you make them more fun and interesting? Maybe it's also the color palette. I don't know. It is going pretty fast though. Ooh. Ooh. Quad design is tripping right now. Sorry. Hmm. Still looks like a PDF scanner. I do like these sort of like rounded, even like this right here. It's just weird. Looks very like Google corporate design style. It's not like fun. Okay, at least Quad design's not tripping anymore. I also want to build this other app that I'm working on while we wait for the designs. So for this, basically trying to create like, give it a URL video and it'll create a thread for X a post for LinkedIn, might create a blog post and some sort of like reel hook or a short. But I've been experimenting also with giving it the video and being able to select and render those clips in short form. I don't know if that's the direction I want to go with. I think right now it's kind of hard using Remotion for that. And it's really bad at like selecting me and part of the screen. Let's see if it works. It's also like stitching them separately. Like each of these is going to be its own file. I don't think I like that. I don't know. Order should be history. Actually, no. Better to do that. Oh, there we go. See, this is better. This right here, quad design. It understood the assignment. And it did not take too much of the rate limits. I like this. I like this a lot. Let's try this design. I'm gonna share that. Testing for me. Okay, so at least this is here. It's pretty good. Sony 4.6 still good, man. Still good. Let me see if this exported properly. One thing that I want to try. I don't even know where they're exporting. Oh, right. If you like the Claude design workflow, you could basically... Oh, that's not bad. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go down. It's not bad. I wonder how Hyperframes would do it. It's taking longer for sure. It might not work. So Claude is making that new design. This is what it looks like. We just exported that. Might be a huge lift. We probably should have only started with the main screens and the onboarding. But the errors are part of the journey, right? And it obviously added extra stuff, like we're not gonna have signing on the app or anything like that. It also kind of has these wonky buttons. It's not perfect, but overall it's pretty good. Ah, there we go. Yep. For some reason, Hyperframe's not working. I don't have it set up correctly. Gotta look at it more in depth. Yep. Yeah, and Stitch still still made some trash, man. I don't know. Okay, not bad. I mean, it translated super well. Super well. Yep, and even the diet section. This looks cleaner, for sure. A lot more fun, too. Not so dark mode weird. Interesting choice that it put it up here, though. That's not how we have it here. Yeah, that's not. Oh, actually, it is. It's exactly how it has it there. There's an analyzing screen. Okay, so it's missing a few screens, actually. All right, let's see if the other app is working now. We know FFmpeg is working. But hyperframes is not. Let's see if it's still the case. It says rendering, but I don't think it's actually doing anything. These are the old. These are the old ones. We need to find some sort of like split screen view situation. Trying to figure that out. Honestly, live streaming is so weird. I'm not used to it. I'm used to like recording videos of myself, and obviously they have a structure of it, but there is no structure for live streaming. Or maybe I just need to set up a structure for it, right? But yeah, this is all just experiments. I'm running so many experiments this month, and I'm recording videos of them, but I thought I might as well just, do a video here and there of a live stream. Why not? So this is gonna be on the internet, and it's kind of cringe, but also I have to kind of just go through it, right? Just kind of get used to it. If you're watching this, are you going through the same thing? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to watch your stream and support you. This is a weird journey that I'm on. Still getting errors. Let's see. This might be time for the big guns. I just installed the goal. I don't know if it's gonna work. If it takes hours, that would be wild. I don't think this is gonna be a crazy one. Hopefully not. Also, for the longest time, Codex just wasn't. It was refusing to do any goal. It was just like lazy. Just being so lazy. So let's see if it wants to do anything. All right. This is way better for this animation. Nice. See, this is way cleaner. I see the point of having it up here now. Okay. I guess we don't need this history at all. We'll just leave it for now. There's some bugginess with the camera. It's not gonna let me use the camera on the simulator, right? I don't think that's how it works. Why am I even making this app? Honestly, I think I'm making it for my friend because she always has this problem when we go eat. And it'd just be so much easier if she could scan it and like it will tell her. We always spend so much time Googling. The other apps that I've seen, they're not as intuitive and I think they cost a lot of money. So I just want to make it more accessible and affordable. Why not? Damn. She can't eat anything. You just have like pepperoni by itself. It's so sad. Oh my god. Want to see if there's a paywall or anything after you reach the scans. Let's see. Okay, there it is. Placeholder. Probably won't be a monthly thing. Or maybe, I don't know. Here it is. Okay, I see. The scans should not be showing. We'll do restaurant and date. Well, no. It's more helpful to see what restaurants you can basically eat at, right? Like you want to see a score of what the restaurants offer. Let's check on Codex. Codex is still going. I've heard really good things about the goal feature. Hopefully it fixes this here. Don't know. Yeah, let me know if you guys have used the goal feature in Codex. It's gonna probably run for a bit. It's been running for 6 minutes, but I've seen some crazy ones. I've seen some people have run it for like 24 hours or something. It's wild. What are you even doing? What are you even doing for that long? There we go. Restaurant. Restaurant. Right. Okay. So I should be able to select the restaurant. I can only select it from the history right now, which is whack. And also, it should actually read the restaurant. Honestly, major unlock this app, CodeTypist. It's great. It's saving me a ton of time. I already like typing, but it's kind of nice to get some recommendations. Why not? So let's see if it fixes this. Gonna let Codex cook. Ah. Yeah, but now we don't have access to this. Should include a dev mode, right? Probably. Okay. Also, the intro screen, I feel like it should just have like a logo or an animation or something. I don't know. Yeah, not sure. Okay, I'm gonna work on dev mode offline. But we'll be doing some more live streams, and when I keep doing some like progress checks, I'm gonna keep showing you guys what I'm building for the repurposing tool and also for this menu scanning. And yeah, I'll let you guys know how that goes. I'll probably be live streaming tomorrow or Tuesday. And yeah, if you tuned in, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.